it's your boy Roddy, RadStreetDaily. Today we're gonna be talking about my Celica that I've been working on, and I hope you know, enjoy the video because I don't know anything about rapping, and I'm just practicing and watching YouTube videos and trying to see what I can do. In my previous videos, I rapped at 240, and it came out alright. To my satisfaction. I really enjoyed the color. A lot of people stop me on the side of the street and ask me what I did to it. And now I'm working on the Celica. So as now the Celica is fully wrapped, and I'm trying to do the suspension work on there, and I'm doing a little add a little lip on it and those spacers on the wheel to space it out a little bit to get more traction and handling. And that's gonna be in the next video in the future. So I hope you enjoy this video. This is me prepping the Celica, getting it ready, and just getting some materials ready for it. And I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe as you see the videos are coming. Share the videos. Show the crazy things that I've been this nuggethead don't know what he's doing, but he's getting it done anyways. Hey, it's what it is. Sometimes you just gotta do something, because sometimes you pay someone to do something and you don't appreciate the work when it comes back. But in a sense, you feel better when you actually do something yourself and you actually enjoy it. Knowing that it was you that did it. So it's one of those things. It's just like to get your hand. I just like to get my hands into this situation. So hope you enjoyed the video, and like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know how I do, and let's get it done. All right. So enjoy. Let's see what we got here. Gotta get this thing open here. All right, guys. Ooh, look at that tunnel vision. That looks so fake, but it's originally that's crazy. Looking to the dark zone. I don't know. I say that, but that's crazy. I'm not sure which one this is, but I'm about to take it out real quick. the wrapping and prepping and doing all that stuff is not my forte, but it's one of those things. But I wanted to learn how to do it that badly, so I actually have my card. I'm like, I'm gonna go teach myself how to do this. So as I'm learning teaching myself how to wrap, there's a lot of obstacles in the way, but as the easy part was basically the C pillar, sorry, the back of the car. So like getting that part of the car wrapped it was a little easy. I would say it wasn't that bad, but there was a few mistakes made, and it's I'm learning, I'm teaching myself. So there's a positive. It's positive to everything right now. Just by getting rep on there is a positive, because some people they won't even pick up the tool to strip the wrap to try to put it on themselves. They have to have someone do it because they're freaking out about it right off the back. So for me, going on there and actually doing the work, it might not come out good, but I'm happy about it. So I hope you enjoyed what you saw. Like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. And it's your boy, RadStreetDaily. Keep it one love. Alright, have a good day, or good night, or good evening, or whatever time you watch this. Have a good one.